Okay, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a video on YouTube. So you open YouTube and you go to your logo or your profile in the upper right corner of your screen. So you will click and you choose your channel under the options. So you will see this says create. So let's click on it. It says upload video, go live, create post. So let's click on upload video. Okay, it says upload videos. Drag and drop video file to upload. Your videos will be private until you publish them. You can either choose to drag your video here to upload, or click on select files. Um, you go to where your video is. Okay, the title required travel. Okay, so you can choose to add it to a playlist. Also, let's go down. It says, is this video made for kids? I say no, it's not made for kids. Under more options, you will come to tags, travel, comma. Okay, you scroll down, you select your video category. It said add your video to a category so viewers can find it more easily. So mine is under education. We have film and animation, autos and vehicles, music, pets and animals, sports, travel and events, gaming, people and blogs, comedy, entertainment, news and politics, how to and styles, education, science and technology, non-profits and activism. So mine is under education, so I'll click on education. Okay, as you can see from here that it's uploading. Okay, so after it finished, since my video is too short, you can't see this. That's from the under the video elements. It says add an end screen. So you click on add from here and you select the way you want the add and end screen to be. After that, you will click on next. That's the visibility. It says choose when to publish and who can see your video. So it says save or publish. So you click save or publish and you select public. Okay, so you click on publish to upload the video. That's it.